about the phone.
That didn't sound right at all.
One dozen?
Hi, how you doing? May I have 6 of your cinnamon sugar? And then 6 of your cluster fillings. And that's
25.76.
excuse me. You sell drinks? I'm sorry.
Can I grab a couple napkins?
Only
Are you
water.
taking more of your
Water.
Water.
Okay, water.
How many?
Just one.
So on flights, I
Dang
always, I know, on flights I always, I tend to figure out my photos. Because like go through like duplicates of things that I don't care about.
Florida.
I definitely passed the photos of us traveling.
You don't know now.
Which included some of those pictures, so those car pictures.
So we stopped right here at the Leonard's Bakery. We were passing by coming from the Sea Life Park. And we stopped to get us some
6 cinnamon and
donuts.
6 custard, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yep.
Like me, I
Huh?
like me, adding that mean as a motherfucker.
Right. Get these donuts and gone.
That's why I don't never get starstruck.
What if I would fail, baby?
Boom.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I did it.
What all the lizard run from up under that dude?
Marketers access to the audience's insights and data you need to grow.
Monster Tracks.
It ain't
It ain't good.
it ain't sweet.
You mind if I try?
Yes,
That's just plain hot shrimp, no flavor to it.
No, oh no, I don't want
Garlic
that.
shrimp is the #1. That's the best on the menu.
Okay.
And then we offer hot sauce on the side.
That.
Can I get 2 of those, please?
Yep.
Cool.
And then do it those are sides that it come with.
It comes with 12 shrimp and 2 scoops of rice.
Okay.
We have side order a mac salad and extra rice also.
Okay, that's fine. You want mac salad?
Sure. That's that salad.
One mac salad.
That's like popular like this. And then some water.
And a bottle of water.
2 bottles of water.
2 bottles. Oh, you know what?
What you mean?
Make that what?
Your name on it?
The garlic shrimp with hot sauce on the side.
See what this rice talking about.
It's gonna be the plain. Cause I think they do all of it like that.
That like they thing here, plain rice and macaroni salad.
I guess so.
They only gave you one.
One way.
Yeah,
So maybe the hot sauce might make it.
kind of disappointing with shrimp.
Now that one I had last night, I should let you taste it. Did you eat from that truck? What you had got?
Chicken.
That shrimp food? That shrimp was busting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Monster Tracks. Want your hot right here, sit down.
That bird done got up here with me.
I saw him.
I was like, oh no, oh no.
Can't eat the outside of the shrimp.
Right, you been crunching?
Like putting eggshells in your eggs or something. What we really doing?
When you hear that crunch, it's like everything stops. Like, wait a minute.
I remember we was eating school lunch one time. One of my homeboys, he was biting a piece of chicken. The loudest crunch I've ever heard. He stopped with the food in his mouth. We all looking at each other.
We gotta
This crunch.
we gotta find out what that crunch
It's
was.
baked chicken. What you think, man? $45? Nah, me neither.
But now tasting it, it was like, okay, this was just for the experience.
Yeah.
And they use Tabasco.
Hmm?
I think that's Tabasco.
You don't like it?
No, it's not right. That's just not my choice of
Hot sauce?
your mama like the more vinegary stuff.
Monster Tracks.
We all made it to the beach.
I'm here, Bob.
Whee!
I go get in the water.
Tiny, don't throw sand on nobody.
No. Chilling on the sand, no. Who gave me here?
Huh?
Who gave me here?
What you mean? You a man, dude.
Huh?
You a man. There go my sand angel. Y'all come back. Y'all come back over this way. Sweet Pea. Peanut. Y'all come back over this way some.
Mom, please take this off for a little bit. Mom, everybody come sit me.
Huh? Nah, don't run towards no.
I'm sorry.
No, right now. Yeah, right?
The Hawaii sunset. Ain't too many people gonna see it when they hit the green skyline. You got to be here to see it yourself. And that's the last one I'll see. Watch the sky. Watch this.